Because sometimes it happens that the students, outside the academic hours, they are only, interacting with the administrative staff. Hostel should be visited once in a week. Examination committee. Now, this is a very, very vital committee for all different organizations. There should be combination of male and female faculties, and there should also be administrative staff. Here, every respective institute should very carefully create their own legislation. Because the legislation actually creates the draft rules that actually prescribe what has to be done or what has not to be done. I will give an example. There was an institution who had actually called me up once in terms of their examination committee in a particular case, peculiar case relating to use of unfair means. What the student had done was, out of 32 pages answer sheets, 5 pages were missing. Now, they are basically altogether, pinned up, and thereafter there is no scope in terms of any missing paper as such. Now, when that was brought before me, I just said that it is there in the rules of the examination committee or the controller section. They should ensure that the student is being given a right of free hearing. That is the basic due process cause as such. Students' guardians can be called up. What the problem lies is that the scenario is such that the faculty or the teachers, they are also supposed to be careful. How they are careful? Like out of 32, 27 pages are what has been given to the controller section. Now, if the student later on comes up and says, I had written in page number 28 or 29, it has not been evaluated, how will you defend yourself? If the hearing takes place and the unfair means committee or the controller section or the examination committee, they bring this thing in a particular hearing and it is being recorded, they have a direct defense. Even if the student now wants to go before a court of law, the student won't succeed. And if the faculties ultimately they are successful enough, in certain institutions they maintain a CCTV camera if they can have it. That is even better. It is best. I am not saying it is possible for all institutions to actually do it, because CCTV camera can at least have the recording as to what the student was doing with this respective pages. Because there are different, anticipations. Those 5 pages, who knows, from beginning, the student might have utilized it, written something, thereafter from that paper is writing in the other next respective paper. Who knows? So I am just giving one single example, but question there lies. The examination committee rules and regulations has to be drafted by the institution itself in whatever manner possible, and there the committee should actually take care whenever an unfair means happens. Give a right of free hearing. মানে আমরা বাংলায় যেটাকে বলি আত্মপক্ষ সমর্থন করা, মানে I am should be given a position in terms of